Hello and Namaste viewers. Welcome to Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Here I have again brought for you all a very delicious and tasty recipe, that is bread scrambled veggies. This again goes for the breakfast and snacks recipe. I hope you will like this recipe of mine. Instead of a regular bread toast or bread sandwich, I have prepared and show you as a bread scrambled with veggies. So I hope all the age group and especially children will love to have during the evening snacks time. It is a very healthy and nutritious pack because I have used brown bread, paneer, carrot and veggies. Now let's move on for the ingredients process and go for a quick preparation process. Let's check the ingredients for bread scrambled veggies. I have taken here scrambled bread, 10 to 12 pieces of bread I have taken, white bread. I have not cut the sides of the bread because my son loved to eat the whole bread. So I have taken the whole bread and I have cut them into cubes, or you can scramble it. Along with it I am taking veggies, that is first carrot. I have taken one large size carrot and grated it. 50 grams of paneer I have chopped it. Along with goes capsicum, one medium sized capsicum, chopped capsicum. You can even add with these cauliflower, chopped cauliflowers, grated cabbage or chopped beans. As it's a pandemic situation time, I am not having at present available with those vegetables. So you can add as much as vegetables of your own choice. It will give you an additional taste. So for spices, I am going to add the required amount of red chili. Approximately you can adjust according to your taste of the spice. Pepper powder, and for seasoning, cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 4 to 5 red chilies, salt according to the taste, and at the end we are going to use tomato ketchup, fresh tomato ketchup and green chili sauce. So let's go on and look for the preparation process. Here I have taken a heavy bottom kadai. I have poured 7 to 8 tablespoons of oil, cooking oil. Once when the oil is heated, first add the 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 large size red chili. I have cut them into 2 to 3 pieces. Once you get a nice flavor of red chilies and cumin seeds, I am going to add grated carrot, stir the carrot, and cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. As it is grated, the carrot will cook very easily. Keep the flame for the whole process in low flame. Cook it for 1 minute, slow flame. You can see here, now the carrot is partly cooked. At this stage, I am going to add my capsicums, chopped capsicums. Again, stir both the vegetables. And cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Till the raw flavor of the capsicum and carrot goes on. Now you can see here the carrot and capsicum is cooked well. At this stage I am going to add my masalas, spice masalas. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, pepper, crushed pepper, 1 to 2 tablespoons approximately. You can adjust these according to the taste, and salt, as the bread already has the salt content, so I am going to add the salt only for the veggies. Mix it well and cook for 1 more minute. You can see here the vegetables is well combined with the masalas. At this stage I am going to add my scrambled bread pieces. I am not going to add paneer now. Paneer at the end I am going to add. So let's add the bread, scrambled bread. I am adding the bread pieces. Gradually you can add and stir it so that the vegetables will get combined with the bread completely. Keep the flame in very low flame. Like this. Partly add bread and mix along with the vegetables. You can see here I have added all the bread and I have given a complete mix. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. The bread should be soft and crunchy also. So keep it in the low flame and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now you can check out here. The bread has totally absorbed all the oil and the moisture from the vegetable. It is in dry texture. If you want, you can switch off the stove at this stage if you wanted to have a dry scrambled bread veggies. But if you want to make it as a soft mushy texture, here I am going to add and show you the green chilies and tomato sauce. Before taking it, you have to add the paneer. So I am going to add the paneer now. As paneer is a very soft in nature, you have to add it in the end, otherwise it will become very hard. So if you want to, as I said, if you want to keep it dry, you can switch off the stove and serve it in a serving plate. But I am going to keep it as moisture texture. So I am going to add, according to the taste, a red chili sauce. This is an optional one, but to make my bread scrambled veggies give a moisture touch. Mix it well. Along with this I am going to add little tomato ketchup, as I have not added tomatoes and onion, but at the end I am adding the tomato ketchup. This will give you little moisty texture for the bread scrambled veggies. Stir it well and just within 1 minute you just have to switch off the stove. No need to keep it in the flame for more than 1 minute. Now I have switched off the stove after 1 minute. You can see here my bread scrambled veggies is ready to serve hot. It is very soft in texture, as I have added at the end tomato ketchup and chili sauce. So I am going to serve it in a serving plate. It is very soft, cooked. Instead of a regular bread butter jam or bread toast, you can make it as a scrambled bread veggies. It is a very healthy dish for children, especially children will love because it has paneer and carrot also along with it. You can serve this hot in the breakfast time or in the evening snacks period. This is a very healthy, nutritious snacks come breakfast recipe. I hope you like my recipe. Do like and subscribe my channel, Priya Prem's Nutritious Kitchen. Enjoy, my viewers.